Her first halibut. 9 on her hip. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I love it.
Is it gonna break the thing?
Nope.
Keep reeling.
Look at that. Baby's got back. I mean butt. I mean, she got a halibut.
Seriously, I'm gonna have a bruise.
You know what I want?
Pull up on the reel and then reel. And then reel. Reel. Don't lose it. You wanted dinner. Well, you got it.
You got plenty of dinner now.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, it's running.
It's running.
It's probably about a 60-pounder. I'm guessing. It's bigger than both of your kids combined. Maybe bigger. Sometimes the big ones will kind of start slow and then get pissed off.
Just keep reeling.
You're
I'm gonna fall over.
your boobs are going to be bruised.
My leg is getting bruised. Oh my god.
Well, are you gonna get dinner or what?
This is
Well, look at it this way. He's only 1/4 of the way up. Oh, Lordy.
Look at that pole bend.
Mama, a ball looks like
Hey, you think I can see it yet? Nope.
Keep reeling. Don't stop reeling. There you go.